Jamaica plans to pilot a central bank cryptocurrency. The Bank of Jamaica has partnered with an Ireland-based company, eCurrency Mint, to pilot its central bank digital currency. In a press release, the BOJ announced that eCurrency Mint has been chosen to support us in testing the CBDC solution in the bank's fintech regulatory sandbox. This will take place between May and December 2021. eCurrency Mint will also be the provider when the national CBDC rollout begins in early 2022. The project will allow the bank to test the CBDC for viability while ensuring adequate consumer protection and data privacy before any introduction to the Jamaican economy. According to the central bank's notice, the CBDC will work alongside paper notes and Jamaican coinage. The Minister of Finance, Nigel Clarke, in an announcement to Parliament, is reported as saying the CBDC would be critical in the government's effort to digitize the Jamaican economy. He further said that the pandemic affected the economy, therefore the government needed to expedite digitized payment methods. The CBDC would improve cash management processes and costs for banks. Jamaica appears to be following Bahamas, who reportedly launched the world's first official CBDC, the $1, making it a Caribbean development leader. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin that operate via blockchain networks in a decentralized way, a CBDC is by design a state-issued and controlled digital asset, and it can offer many benefits. Some of the benefits are faster, less costly transactions and high security. Yes, of course, there are some downsides as well. So tell us, what do you think about the BOJ introducing a CBDC pilot this May? Also, let us know what you think about this subject in the comment section below. Thank you for checking us out on Good News Jamaica TV for content that informs, inspires, and transforms. Please like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more positive Jamaica content. Walk good.